Hello. Today we'll be walking you through how to compose and send a message on our new user interface. Our platform's core feature revolves around sending out mass messages, which enables you to create a single message that reaches thousands of contacts individually. This functionality enhances efficiency and simplicity for everyday business operations. It proves particularly useful for various purposes such as company meeting updates, event notifications, reminders, promotions, and more. To get started, you will want to navigate to Mass Messages on our new UI by selecting Messages on the navigation bar to the left and then Mass Messages. You will then select the button named Compose. When composing our message, we begin with the description. It's important to note that the description is solely for your reference and serves as a reminder of the message's content. For instance, if the message pertains to a catered lunch notification, we can simply enter lunch notification as the description. Moving forward, we have the option to choose the organization name that will be displayed at the beginning of our message. This feature aids recipients in easily identifying the sender of the message, thereby enhancing clarity and recognition. Now, we have the capability to schedule the desired timing for sending the message. We are provided with three options to choose from for scheduling. The first option is One Time Message Now. By selecting this option, the message will be sent out immediately to the chosen contacts as a one-time communication. The second option is the One-Time Message Later. By selecting this option, you can schedule the message to be sent out at a specific date and time of your preference. It will be a one-time communication, and it's important to note that the necessary credits will be deducted at the scheduled time of scheduling. However, if the total number of contacts that a scheduled message goes out to changes, credits will be either withdrawn or refunded back to your account. The third option is the automated recurring message. By choosing this option, you can configure the message to be sent out at a frequency of your choice, such as yearly, monthly, weekly, or daily. This recurring message will continue to be delivered within a specified date range that you define. For this video, we will opt for the One-Time Message Now as the chosen scheduling option for sending the message immediately. Now, we will decide who we are going to send our message to by pressing the button Select the Recipient. We have three options to choose from. Distribution List. By selecting this, we will choose the distribution list or list that we want to send the message to. Dynamic Targets. These are a group of targets that fulfill specific filters created by you. Note that you must first create a dynamic target before being able to use this as a recipient option. All contacts. We can select specific contacts that we want to send the message to. In this tutorial, we will proceed by selecting the distribution list named Employees as the recipient group for the message. Now, it's time to compose the content we wish to send to our list of contacts and determine the desired method of message delivery. Our platform supports multiple channels, allowing us to send messages through email, text, or a combination of both. To proceed, we will select the checkbox next to Text Message. Upon doing so, a pop-up will appear presenting us with the question, how would you like to start? Two options are available, starting from scratch and start with a template. If you have previously created a message and saved it as a template, you can access your templates and choose one accordingly. However, for this video, we will choose Start from Scratch. Within our text editor, you will find a blank canvas on the left side, accompanied by a preview screen on the right. To compose your message, simply start typing within the text editor. In addition to typing, there are several icons located near the top right of the canvas. The first icon represents the Media Insertion tool. By selecting it, you can choose to include media from your device or library. The library option is for images or short videos saved within your account, while the device option allows you to browse your device's file management system to select an image or short video. Next, we have the URL shortener tool, which enables you to shorten URLs in your message to reduce the number of bytes they occupy. This helps optimize your message's length. Following that, there is a coupon tool allowing you to include unique coupon codes for your subscribers. Please note that the coupons must be created using another feature within our platform. Next, we have the Personalization tool, which empowers you to customize your message or enter unique information for each subscriber. This tool adds a personal touch to your communications. Moving on, the Dynamic Dates feature allows you to include specific dates in your message, such as 10 days prior to your message or 10 days after your message. This feature provides a flexibility in incorporating time-sensitive information. Then there's the Import Templates option, which lets you choose a template in case you miss the option at the beginning of creating your message. It allows you to leverage pre-designed templates to expedite the message creation process. Furthermore, we have the new Emoji feature, allowing you to include emojis in your message. Emojis can add visual appeal and convey emotions effectively. You also have the option to insert QR code into your message. If you generate a QR code using our QR code feature, you can select and insert it into your message as an image. Lastly, we offer the AI generator, which can be extremely helpful when you're seeking ideas for your message. This feature enables you to generate a message using AI. You can specify the desired message length and tone, friendly, sincere, humorous, and professional, making it a valuable tool during the message creation process. We highly encourage you to explore this feature. Please make the most out of these features while crafting your messages. Once you have completed your message and are satisfied with how it appears in the preview screen, you can proceed by selecting Save and Close. This action will save your message, and you will be all set to send it out. That's how you compose and send a message on our new user interface. Have a wonderful day.